let's move on to the formal and informal contractual document, because at the point where you've awarded the contract, then now there is what? A legal agreement. So can we look at the documents that happens to, to be used in the process of what? Actualizing this contract. We have the bid documents. The bid document actually is used to solicit what? Proposals from prospective what? Sellers. And there are processes that goes on before a bid document is being sent out to prospective sellers. One, we have requests for information, where normally we say RFI. The RFI is actually used to gather information from the market prior to sending out bid documents to set of selected what? Vendors. Now the request for proposal, which is also normally known as the RFP. Now it's a bid document used for complex or complicated scope of work, where the buyer is looking for the vendor to provide what? A solution. Now we have the request for quotes, which is the RFQ. Now the RFQ, this is a bid document which is used when the price is the main deciding factor and the proposed solution is already available. So in this form of what? Tendering, the price is where the decision will be what? Will be made on, because the solution to the problem is being identified by the contracting entity. Now the other documents that comes with the bid document, we have the bills of quantities, we have the schedule rates, we have the letter of acceptance, we have the tender, and then we have the agreement or the form of contracts. We also have the particular conditions of contract, general conditions of contract, special, technical, and general specifications such as the drawings, letter of intent. Letter of intent is actually the pre-contractual written instrument that reflects preliminary agreements or understanding of one or more parties to a future contract. Now, letter of comfort. This is intended to reassure a party contracting with a subsidiary of the support that the parent company is prepared to give its subsidiary in the event if it encounters any difficulties.